Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. For tonight's video, this is going to be your free tarot reading video post. If you have been tagged, then this one's for you. However, this reading may also resonate to Leo. So if you're a Leo and you're suffering from any diseases, maybe you're feeling sick, Leo rules the heart. So maybe you're feeling a bit of constriction within your chest, or you are actually aware that there's something wrong with your heart physically. Maybe you need to make sure that you're going to go for a checkup. Okay. However, if that's not the case, strength reversed may also indicate na merong kang kailangang give up. Like, wag mo nang i-push, wag mo nang labanan, give in ka na lang. Kasi persistence ang strength card eh. So, in reverse, parang yaan mo na, let go na. So, this may be something connected kay Queen of Wands reversed. Usually, ang Queen of Wands reversed, ito yung, puro mali mo na lang yung nakikita. Okay lang sana kung kayong dalawa lang, with the Queen of Wands in reversed as a very sociable person, there's a big possibility na yung mga maling nakikita niya sa'yo, instead na i-point out niya sa'yo lang, ipang kukwento pa niya, parang ipagkakalat pa niya. So maybe you're thinking about fighting back or calling out the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands in reversed is actually a depiction of a narcissist. Like, walang mali sa kanila, perfect sila. Pagka may kailangan sisihin iba, ikaw, siya, sila, ganun. Pero yung sarili nila, hindi. So, maybe you would like to call out this person for pointing out something na siguro ikinahiya mo, or maybe you felt humiliated, or you felt underestimated, na parang siguro gusto mo ng patulan. Pero, strength reversed, hayaan mo na. Especially sa mundo niya, wala siyang mali. So, magpapagod ka lang, magsasayang ka lang ng laway, kaya let go na lang. And if you're going to do the possible outcome, mas madali yung pag-move on mo. Ang maganda dito sa mga ganitong klaseng tao is yung confidence mo, wag mong ipapatinag. Let's say yung mga mali mo lang yung pino-point out niya, edi hindi na ulitin, problema ba yun? Parang ganun. O parang may nakita siya na hindi mo ginawa, edi gawin natin, simple. Parang ganun. So, ano mang minamaximize niya na flaw mo, Leo, try your best to minimize it. Na parang, ba't overthink mo? Ikaw ba yung involved? O parang ganun. So, ako mag-a-adjust kasi hindi kita na-please. Parang ganun. Or, kung hindi swak sa standards mo, sino ka ba? Ba't kailangan kong i-meet? Parang ganun. Parang wag mo siyang patulan. Hayaan mo siya para mas bala siyang maligas siya dyan, kakahintay ng ng reaction mo. Wag mo siyang bigyan ng satisfaction na bibigyan mo siya ng attention, ng explanation or anything. And usually, yung Queen of Wands in reverse, ito yung energy ng tao na pakilamera, wala namang ambag. So, let go, okay? Huwag mo nang patulan. Tsaka mas maganda yung yung nanggagalaiti sila kasi naghihintay sila ng reaction mo. Especially kung nasanay sila na pinapatulan mo, defensive ka, nag-explain ka, then all of a sudden biglang walang kuliglig galore. So parang ganun yung gawin mo para lalo silang ano, matuliro. Kung kailan ka magre-react, anong sasabihin mo, magagalit ka ba. Hayaan mo siya para iba naman yung pakialaman yan. Okay. So that's all I'm seeing here. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message, okay? That'll be all. Bye.